Welcome back everyone, Meanpooh here, and today this video is about trying to get a virus on your computer. I purposely spent a good amount of time trying to get a virus. It was around 38 minutes when I finally got it. But I went to different sites, some sites that have been blacklisted as not safe, and I went to those, and either I couldn't read the information or the actual site was no longer available because some of these links were like from back in 2009. I think the most recent was like 2015 or something like that. Also, I typed in the search bar things like free money, free food, free games, free movies. Went to a movie site where you can like watch live TV and all that stuff. Try to get it working, and I was waiting for the links to come up or an ad so I can click the link, and nothing happened. I did get something, and it happened twice. The first time it said that my flash was out of date, and I believe that's where they get you, and it didn't work the first time. So I was, still searching, trying to find more samples. Each time I tried to search, there were a lot of antivirus software popping up, like McAfee or McAfee, Kaspersky, Norton's, things like that, ESET. And that's not what I was looking for. I'm looking to get infected. And apparently that's pretty hard these days, just actually searching for it. I even went to WikiHow on trying to get infected. They gave some information, but it really didn't help any. But finally, I typed in a listing for torrent sites, went to the torrent site. I think it was called RARBG or something like that, but it's in the video. And I clicked the link, and it was one that tried to install before, saying that my flash was out of date. So I clicked it. It went on through, Windows Defender let it go on through, and I let it install, and it installed a lot of programs. So I was like, okay, let's roll with this, because this is what I was wanting to do. I think it installed like 9 programs, some type of hotspot program. It installed 2 or 3, I think it was like 2 antivirus softwares. I think one was a driver update software posing as an antivirus software. It installed like 2 games. One of the games didn't work. One of them said it was under maintenance. Let's see, what else did it install? I think it installed a couple of other things too. And each time you try to run it, it'll say something like, hey, we found 288 threats. We removed 25 of them. If you would like more removed, please buy this. And I was like, typical. After all of that, I tried to uninstall it, and it was still trying to install different things. So I went to add remove programs, like most people do. They try to, like, my computer's not working right. I want to uninstall this software because it's taking up too many resources. And you can see the CPU, the usage was sitting like right on 100%. It would go down every now and then, but it was on 100%. So I uninstalled, 2 or 3 of them. But most of the time when you do that, they just come right back. As soon as you restart your computer, sometimes they just come back. They're just waiting. It's still in memory, and then you restart it and it just comes back. When I was done with that, I just went on, and I'm going to show you how to reset your computer to just vanilla Windows 10. And if you are using an Acer Nitro 5, any other computer will work. But if you are using, matter of fact, if you are using any computer that has software on it when you bought it, and it says, please make a backup or make backup disks, please do that, because if you reset your computer, then it will erase everything off of it. Now, there is an option that lets you save the files that are on your computer. But after your computer's probably been infected, I don't know how reliable that would be, because pictures can get infected too. I mean, if you wanted to keep them, I guess you could do that, but I don't want anything. So it's probably best that everyone make backups of their files, especially their pictures, on a regular basis. But anyway, getting back to the reset, go ahead and make your system restore disks and keep them put away somewhere safe, because once you reset your computer, it's all gone, and you most likely would have to contact the manufacturer to get those disks back. And I'll show you how to do that. Not contact the manufacturer, but I'll show you how to reset your computer while you're under attack. As far as this video, I'm just showing you how I got the virus or malware, and that's about it. So enjoy.